Hey, what's going on, you living legends? My name is Bradley Waver, and this is part 4 of the series that I have created, Convert YouTube into a Business. So without further ado, let's start the video. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining the rules and must-knows of YouTube's TOS, or Terms of Service. The main criteria that we really want to meet is if it is legal, so if it is 100% fine to upload, or you're not providing, porn and stuff like that. If it's legal, you're pretty much allowed to post it. So let's start in with number one. Is the content needs to be original. Now, we've covered this in a previous video, but I'm just going to quickly recap it for you guys. So the content has to be original. Now, what I mean by this is adding a webcam and a commentary over top of a video. That is classed as original content because you have added original content. You have your own webcam, your own voice over top of the video, so that then classifies that video as original content. Number two is you have to have an educational value or an educational purpose. An educational value or commentary, which would be classed as talking over the video, or something like that. I use the word "or." This means one or the other. So you're either going to be doing educational value or educational purpose videos, or commentary videos. Now, if you're doing both, you're not going to have any issues. That's fine, fine by YouTube's terms of service. Number three is duplicate topics. This means you can make the same video in a topic, but you cannot make the same content. Now, a lot of people struggle with this little rule that they have. Now, I'm going to give you an example here. Duplicate topic is making how to make money videos, right? Let's use finance videos. So let's say I make a video on a phone app that makes me $5 a minute, right? So I show the app, I show you, $5 a minute, and I start making money on the app. That's fine. And then I turn around and I make a video about how to make money on the computer. Now that's duplicate topics because I'm still talking about finance, but it's different content because one was on the phone, one was on the computer, the different methods, so on. But if I was to turn around and do the phone video and then 2 days later upload pretty much the exact same video, that's duplicate content, and that will be demonetized and possibly even blacklisted or black flagged. So you really have to be careful with the type of niche you choose, and you make sure that you have content available to you that isn't going to be duplicate content. Then again, there is a few loopholes in that. For instance, adding commentary and a webcam over top of the videos technically makes it original content, which means it's not duplicate content, but you don't want to take that risk with your own videos. Number 4, you must read the YouTube's terms of service with a very fine eye. You must read it. If I was to make a video about the whole terms of service, would be here for hours. So you guys must read over the terms of service with a very, very fine line. Use a magnifying glass. Very, very careful. And please don't use bots or software, or anything that's not organically obtained, because you do not want to get into the gray area of botting your channel and all of that sort of stuff. You want to be able to go viral organically, and that's where you will make the most money out of your videos. If you can go viral organically, you're gonna be enjoying life, and it's a very good feeling when you make your first viral video. It's a really good feeling. It's an accomplishment. And some people have life goals to be able to make a viral video and stuff like that. So that is really it for this video. It's been a really short one, but You know, it's very informative, and I really highly suggest you check out the other videos if you haven't already. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and peace out.